Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about this AI app builder, which is Bubble and Glide. So I'm just gonna dive into it and explain the most important part of this, of this website, the pros and cons, and what you should be expecting if you are using this, app for building app. So let's dive into it. Talking about Bubble. Bubble is perfect for building complex, full customizable app without coding. It's great for advanced control over workflow, database, and design. It's also great for a startup and serious project. It can feel overwhelming for beginners and cost rise as your app grows. Now, talking about Glide on the other hand focus mainly on speed and simplicity. It turns spreadsheet into functional app in minutes, making it ideal for non-tech users and small projects to use. However, it's limited in customization, and the backend power compared to Bubble is not really worth it. So, in my opinion, Bubble wins for flexibility while Glide shines for quick, easy app creation. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the reaction button and subscribe for more review.